PurePod produced cleaner. Is it worth it? Short answer, no. It costs around $59. It is worth it if you want hands-free produced cleaner and accept unproven claims. Skip it if you expect proven pesticide removal or a replacement for normal washing. Here's everything you need to know in 2 minutes. Here are the 3 things that actually matter about this product. 1. It uses water with no filters or chemical refills, and the manufacturer claims a 5-minute cleaning cycle. It is USB rechargeable and rated IPX7 waterproof. 2. The main cleaning claims are not independently verified. PurePod says its OH ion electrolysis removes pesticides, wax, and bacteria, but no independent lab results for this device were found. 3. The brown water test is not proof that produce was cleaned. Users report that plain tap water can turn brown even when there's no fruit or vegetable inside. Now let me show you what that actually means with a no produce test. The idea is simple. Run the PurePod in a bowl containing only water. If the water turns brown, there was no produce present to contribute pesticide residue, wax, or dirt. That means the brown color cannot automatically prove contaminants were pulled from food. Users have suggested it may instead come from minerals or other reactions involving the device in tap water. There is also an important capacity limit. One listing says the device works with up to 3 quarts of water, while cleaning times range from 5 to 10 minutes depending on the listing. A Walmart listing has 4 out of 5 stars from 6 ratings, including 1 report of failure after 2 uses. So is the PurePod produced cleaner worth it? No. The core pesticide removal claims lack independent verification, and the brown water effect does not prove cleaning. A better option for most people is FreshGuard produced cleaner. That is the full breakdown.